What is food storage? Food storage is the process of keeping food safe and fresh for future use. It helps prevent spoilage and ensures we have enough to eat when we need it. When you put milk in the refrigerator or store apples in a cool, dry place, you are practicing food storage. When you put milk in the refrigerator, prevents waste. Proper storage stops food from going bad. Saves money. Storing food correctly means less waste and fewer trips to the store. Ensures food safety. Keeping food fresh protects us from eating spoiled food, which can make us sick. Types of food storage. A. Short-term storage. Food that needs to be eaten quickly, usually within a few days. Types of food storage examples: rice, pasta, canned goods in a pantry. Types of food storage. B. Long-term storage. Food that can be kept for weeks or months. Types of food storage examples: milk, eggs, vegetables in the fridge. Types of food storage. C. Freezing. Storing food in the freezer to make it last for months. Types of food storage examples: ice cream, frozen peas, meat. How to store food properly. A. Refrigerate cold items. Milk, yogurt, fruits, and vegetables go in the fridge to stay fresh. Fun fact: did you know that lettuce lasts longer when wrapped in a damp paper towel? B. Keep dry foods dry. Store rice, flour, and snacks in airtight containers. This keeps bugs away. Activity: show kids how to seal a Ziploc bag or close a container lid tightly. Food that needs special storage. Some foods need extra care. Potatoes and onions. Store in a cool, dark place, not the fridge. Bananas. Keep at room temperature, away from other fruits to slow ripening. Signs of spoiled food smell. Sour milk smells bad. Signs of spoiled food: look, mold on bread or spots on fruit. Signs of spoiled food: touch. Slimy lettuce means it's time to throw it out.